guys, so I wanted to pop on today because I promised that I'd give you all a little update on where we're at with some of the rooms. And one of the main rooms that we are so close to finishing is the bathroom. So I thought I'd take you around in there today, kind of show you where we're at. We're basically on finishing touches. Everything's in, everything's working, touch wood. So yeah, we're really pleased with how it's looking in there. Some of you may remember originally it was a large spare bedroom that we felt was too big for what we needed, so we split it into two to create a smaller spare room as well as a small bathroom. And then the old bathroom, which was kind of too big for us, is now the spare room. So yeah, so we've come a long way with it. It's been a long process, but I'm really pleased with what we've done. So I'm going to pop a few pictures up of where we were, how it was originally, like some before pictures, and then I'll take you around. Okay, so this is the bathroom as it is right now. So obviously we have the stud wall that I designed with the storage at the side that Peter built for us to kind of enclose the bath shower area. We have this lovely rainfall shower, which I'm obsessed with. It's from Soak, kind of Victorian in its style, nice traditional. The tiles Peter and his dad did, and they were reclaimed as well. Peter's dad had those just lying around the house waiting for someone to use them, so we snapped them up. Really pleased with this lovely storage cupboard that Peter built. Basically we wanted to utilise the space, so we couldn't fit a full length bath in here, so it's a 1400 mil bath, which meant that we had some space still at the side, so I wanted to really utilise that, create some storage. So there's quite a lot of storage in there. These lovely little gold handles, they were just on eBay, cheap as chips, but yeah, really chuffed with how that all looks. The toilet was from Soak as well. And then I absolutely love this area. So this is our little vanity area. Lots of you will remember this. It used to be a dressing table that I picked up on Facebook Marketplace, I think, for dead cheap. Sanded it. Oh, actually, no, it was free cycle, so it was completely free. Someone was giving it away. So we took the mirror off the back and had a little shelving thing on the back. Took that off. I sanded the hell out of it. And this is what we've got now. Obviously, it needs some handles. I need to choose some nice handles for it. And then we got the sink from Soak as well, and had it fixed, and all the plumbing obviously goes through and down the back. This incredible mirror, it's massive. I think it's 80 centimeters, I think. That was £5 on Facebook Marketplace. Such a bargain. It was originally like a weird chrome colour, so it wasn't really very stylish, so I got some rub and buff and buffed it out to give it this lovely gold colour, which matches the amazing pendant lights that we have in here, which are from Swoon. Obsessed with those. I think they're called the Faye pendant light, if I remember rightly. Yeah, I'm really chuffed with those. They're beautiful. This tap was from eBay. Really chuffed with that. Wanted a nice chunky one, swivel one. So yeah, in that kind of Victorian style. I found that really hard to find, actually. There was so many, but they weren't the traditional look. They were really modern. I didn't really want that because obviously the vanity is kind of like that old school look, so I wanted to go along with that. So the paneling, so we've got a full wall of paneling here, and then half paneling there, and then half paneling on the back wall as well. So that was salvaged from a building that was being ripped out of a building that Peter was working on, so he brought it all home. So that's nice reclaimed wood paneling. So yeah, I think that looks gorgeous. It kind of makes the space and gives it that vibe that I was after. So I'm really pleased about that. The flooring is LVT, obviously, as you know, I love it. Just a really inexpensive one from B&Q, actually. Took us like one afternoon to lay it. Super, super easy. I think it's even self-adhesive, this one. So yeah, really tough. I went for a slightly darker wood in here because obviously everywhere is so white. But actually saying that, you can't really tell, but this wall colour is actually like a really light pink. You can't really see it because of the light in here, but it's like a really pale pink, so it does just offset the white of the panelling, which I really love. It took me ages to choose that colour, if any of you can remember. But really pleased with how it looks. So yeah, glad I made that decision. So yeah, there's a few things still left to do in here. I have a nice piece of artwork that I want to go either here or here. It's a Love Your Space print that I'm obsessed with. So looking forward to getting that up. Need a little hook on the door. Would like a little towel rail, probably a gold one here next to the vanity. A little loo roll holder, probably here on the side of the vanity. Probably a hanging plant up there because you can never have too many hanging plants. So yeah, a few finishing touches still to go, but really, really pleased with how it's looking. Yeah, let me know if you like it, and I'll keep you updated when we get finished.